Have you ever walked past someone and caught a whiff so bad it made you stop breathing for a second, only to wonder, wait, what if I'm that person? What if I smell and no one is telling me? Let's be honest, no one wants to be the stinking friend, the co-worker everyone avoids in close quarters, or that person who smells like they bathe in mystery funk. But here's the wild part. Most people who smell bad have no idea. Because bad hygiene doesn't always mean you don't shower. It's sneakier than that. It's in the small things you overlook every single day. So in this video, we are breaking down 10 sneaking hygiene mistakes that might be making you stink and how to fix them for good. I want you to think about this for a second. You spend money on clothes, skincare, even perfume. You brush your teeth. You probably shower every day. And yet, something is off. People are pulling back a little when they talk to you, or they avoid hugging you too long. It's subtle, but you feel it. And it hurts, because no one wants to be remembered for their smell in a bad way. Most of us were never really taught hygiene beyond brush your teeth and take a bath. But the real stuff, the stuff that makes you actually smell good and feel confident around people, that's what we are getting into today. And I promise, it's not about being perfect, it's about being aware, because awareness is power. Stick around to the end because I promise what you learn in this video can change the way people perceive you and even how you perceive yourself. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1, not scrubbing properly. So first, let's start in the shower. You shower every day, maybe even twice a day. But here's the question. Are you actually scrubbing? Most people think that just standing under hot water and gliding some soap over their body is enough. It's not. Your armpits, your groin, your feet, those areas need friction. You need a washcloth or a loofah or exfoliating gloves. Why? Because bacteria thrives in dead skin cells. And soap alone can't lift it without a bit of physical help. Quick fix. Get a gentle exfoliating cloth and use it in small circles, especially in odor-prone areas. Don't go too hard. You are not sanding furniture, but do enough to feel clean. Also, don't forget your belly button. It stinks too if you ignore it. Mistake number 2. Wearing clothes that look clean. Let's be honest. How many times have you sniffed a shirt and thought, man, still good, and thrown it on? But here's the thing. Just because it looks clean or doesn't smell yet, doesn't mean it's not harboring bacteria. Your clothes trap body oils, sweat, skin flakes, and yes, odor. Especially under the armpits, where deodorant, sweat, and bacteria mix in a cocktail that gets baked in over time. Especially your underwear, socks, and undershirts. Those should never be worn twice without washing. Quick fix. Air out your clothes properly, but be realistic. When in doubt, wash it. And invest in few quality basics so you are not rotating the same sweaty tea 3 times a week. Mistake number 3. Using wrong deodorant. This one's huge. First, let's get one thing straight. Deodorant and antiperspirants are not the same. Deodorant controls odor by killing bacteria or masking the smell. Antiperspirant reduces sweat by temporarily blocking sweat glands, usually with aluminum salts. If you're only using deodorant and still wondering why you smell funky by midday, yep, that's probably why. Now here's the debate. Is it bad to block sweat? Not necessarily. Sweating helps regulate body temperature, but your underarms only account for a small percentage of your body's total sweat output. So using antiperspirant under your arms doesn't stop your body from cooling down or detoxing. However, some people prefer to avoid aluminum-based products. If that's you, be prepared to try few natural deodorants before finding one that works, especially if you're active or live in a hot climate. Quick fixes. If you are okay with it, look for antiperspirants with aluminum salt. They are more effective at reducing sweat. For best results, apply antiperspirant at night and layer deodorant in the morning. Bonus tip: shaving or trimming your armpit hair can actually help cut down on odor by reducing sweat and bacterial buildup. Mistake number 4. Poor oral hygiene. Mouth smell is real, and it doesn't just come from forgetting to brush. Do you floss? Do you brush your tongue? When was your last dentist visit? Bad breath is usually caused by bacterial buildup between your teeth, at the back of your tongue, or even in your tonsils. And no, minty gum won't fix it. That's like spraying perfume in a garbage can. Quick fix: brush twice a day, floss daily, use a tongue scraper, and drink more water. Dry mouth is a breeding ground for smell. If it persists, get checked for cavities, gum issues, or tonsil stones. Mistake number 5. Not washing your feet properly. You step in dirt, wear socks all day, and your feet are trapped in shoes. And yet, so many people just let the water run over their feet in the shower and call it a day. You need to wash them, top, bottom, between the toes, and dry them thoroughly. Moisture leads to fungus, which leads to smells. Also, don't forget the soles. Quick fix: use antibacterial soap. Dry your feet well and don't skip toenail care. Change your socks daily. Let your shoes breathe and sprinkle baking soda in your shoes overnight every now and then. It absorbs odor like magic. Mistake number 6. Neglecting scalp hygiene. You ever get that whiff of something sour when you move your hair? It might not be your hair, it might be your scalp. Product buildup, oil, sweat, it all collects. If you use leave-ins, gels, oils, dry shampoo, you need to cleanse your scalp. Quick fix: use a clarifying shampoo once a week and scrub your scalp with your fingertips, gently but thoroughly. Let your scalp breathe with skin too. Mistake number 7. Not washing behind ears and neck. Tiny area, big impact. Sweat, oil, and dirt build up behind the ears and around the neck, and they smell. This is especially true if you wear glasses, head wraps, or hats. Quick fix: make a point during your bath to scrub behind your ears and all around your neck. Mistake number 8. Relying too much on fragrance to cover odor. A lot of people skip proper hygiene and try to mask odors instead of removing them. Deodorants and body sprays are not magic. They are finishing touch, not a shower in a bottle. But if your armpits are dirty, spraying perfume on top is just marinating funk in vanilla. Quick fix: don't spray to cover smell. Clean first, moisturize, then apply fragrance to clean dry skin. Apply on pulse points like wrist, neck, or chest. Less is more. Mistake number 9. Not cleaning your environment. You could shower twice a day and still stink if your environment is dirty. Let's break it down. Your bed sheets and pillowcases, you sleep on them every night, sweating, drooling, and shedding skin. Over time, they absorb all of it. Your towel or loofah. You clean your dirty body with it, then leave it warm and damp. That's a bacteria party. Your clothes. If you wash with cold water, cram too much in the machine, or don't use enough detergent, bacteria and odor can linger. Letting wet clothes sit too long before drying, that's how mildew joins the mix. Your room, gym bag, shoes, or even your phone. If you are musty, you are absorbing that stink without realizing it. Quick fixes: wash sheets and pillowcases weekly. Wash towels every 3 to 4 uses and replace loofahs often. Always let them dry completely. Don't overstuff your washing machine and avoid leaving clothes wet for too long. Air out your room, clean your shoes, and disinfect your phone. It touches your face more than you think. Clean body, great, but don't forget your space needs to be just as fresh. Mistake number 10. Ignoring diet and hydration. Last one, and it's sneaky. What you eat literally changes how you smell. Garlic, onions, red meat, too much sugar, they all affect your body odor. If you are not drinking enough water, your sweat gets more concentrated and smellier. Quick fix. Drink water, lots of it. Eat more greens, less processed junk, and try chlorophyll water or meat if you are self-conscious. It helps some people naturally reduce odor. Bonus tip: not drying off properly after bathing. If you are constantly in a rush after bathing and you throw on clothes while still damp, congrats, you've just created a damp, enclosed, bacteria-prone environment. Fix: pat yourself completely dry, especially in crevices, underarms, groin, between toes. Moisture equal bacteria equal odor. To wrap this up, let me tell you something real. Smelling bad isn't just about what others think. It affects how you feel about yourself. There's a quiet confidence that comes when you know you are clean. When someone leans in and you don't flinch because you know you are good, you are fresh, you are presentable. And that confidence bleeds into everything else. How you show up in your work, your relationships, your goals. Hygiene isn't about vanity, it's about respect for yourself and for the people around you. So I want you to take a moment and check in with yourself. Which of these mistakes have you been making? Be honest, not to feel ashamed, but to do better. Because you deserve to walk through life confidently, not hiding, not worrying, not second guessing if you are the stinking one in the room. If this video opened your eyes, even a little, I want you to do one thing. Watch the next video right here. Change your life in 2025. Tiny habits that actually work. Because hygiene is just one piece. Your habits, your mindset, your self-image, that's where real transformation begins. So don't stop here. Let's keep growing together. If you found this helpful, don't just keep it to yourself. Share it. Someone out there needs this more than you know. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself because you are worth it.